Preparation of lubrication point. Clean the lubrication point prior to installation to protect the inside of the bearing against contamination. Remove the grease nipple and check the thread size for the perma reducer. Apply thread sealant to the reducer and to all other connecting parts and screw them into the lubrication point. Pre-fill lubrication point and all accessory parts with lubricant. Be sure to use the same lubricant that is filled into your lubrication system. Always follow the manufacturer lubrication instructions. For remote installations, please ensure that all accessories and grease lines are pre-filled with grease. Activation. Our free PermaSelect software or the chart in the Perma catalog can assist you in finding the most suitable discharge period for your application. Select the desired discharge period by turning the rotary switch with a coin or a similar device. The discharge period can be selected in monthly steps from 1 to 12 months and can be changed at any time. Write the activation and the expected replacement date into the intended field on the lubricator label before installation. Installation. Remove the outlet plug from the lubricator and screw the lubrication system into the lubrication point hand tight. After the discharge period has elapsed, PermaFlex must be replaced with a new lubrication system filled with the same lubricant. Use a flat tool to remove the rotary switch. Take out the battery. For correct disposal of PermaFlex and the empty battery, please follow the individual waste disposal regulations in your country. Check the operating instructions for more information.